Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about SSD drive. For some reason, you know, the drives have been dropping dramatically, and to the point where it's like really cheap. I've never seen it this low before. Okay, look at this one right here. 2 terabyte M.2. Okay, PCIe 4.0 times 4, all this stuff right here, $499. Regular price is $169. Okay, and you can see the review here is like 5 stars out of 5, 89 reviews. Okay, why is it so cheap? I've never seen it this low, even though I never heard about this brand before, but it seems really cheap. Okay, I spent, I think, $100 or $134 on the SK or HK one for 1 terabyte. Okay, and look at this, all the information here. With the 4,000 something read speed. Where's the write speed? It should be in somewhere close to that too, right? And for $99. So if you need storage and you need faster speed, you can't beat this price for $100. Review is great. I think the warranty is 5 years too, I believe. I think it's 5 years somewhere right here. I should say somewhere. I think it's 5 years warranty right here. We're not gonna play that video, but again, the performance and everything here. It's compatible right here with the backward compatibility here. I believe I thought I saw somewhere with the 5 years warranty. It is here, 5 years warranty. Okay, so for $100, 2 terabyte, guys. But that's not the end of it. This is not the only brand that's on sale. I have another one, Kingston's, right here. 93 reviews, 4.8 out of 5. Again, 2 terabyte, 152. It's killer deals here. Speed up to 7,000 megabit per second. That's crazy fast. Okay, so you need, like, for gamers out there, wow, what more can you ask for? Look at this, 7,000 read and write speed. This is crazy fast. So why is it so cheap? I don't know, but it's good for consumers like us. Okay, look at all these specs right here. Look at that, the review 6 months ago, 555. Says here like Superfast replacing SAT from 980. Okay, that's where we're going to talk about too as well too. Look at this price, 152, I believe. Okay, Kingston, right? Go to the next one. Western Digital. Look at this one right here. SN850X, 2 terabyte, 179. Crazy. It's never been this low. What's going on? Okay, but anyway, if you're into, if you need a hard drive, you know, for your computer, for your game system, whatever that is that you're looking for, a backup that you need super fast and you need bigger storage, 2 terabyte is amazing, and for the price you can't beat it, guys. So that's pretty much it. Just bringing you guys all a special discount on the prices of the at the hard drive only. So I'll list all the information in the descriptions. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.